folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today the star of the show is breakfast tortillas. We're going to turn these into little muffins. These are flour tortillas. There's gluten-free options out there as well, in the same place that you'll find these flour tortillas. These ones are 8 inches across. I'm going to cut them up into quarters so they fit nicely in my pan. And this muffin pan is for large muffins, 2 inches deep, 3.5 inches across. That's what you're looking for. I'll give you lots of different options on this. This is no different than building a pizza. Pick your ingredients, make it your own. Your friends and family will love them, and they can pick the ingredients they like too. Let's put these together. First thing you're going to do is put a little dab of olive oil in each little muffin hole. And then we'll use a paper towel and spread that around. You could also use cooking spray if that's what you like to use. You'll use 2 of these quarters to fill each muffin container, so you don't see any of the pan at the bottom. They fit in there quite easily. Just press them in. Make sure there's no pan exposed on the bottom. Like so. Now let's get to our filling. I'm going to give the tin foil a little spray of cooking spray on top so nothing sticks to it. There they are out of the oven. Don't they look delicious? I've let the pan cool down just enough time that I can hang on to it. Get a butter knife. Just go around the outsides, loosen them up. And then just a soup spoon. Slide it down the side and lift it right out. Oh, looks just lovely. Let's give them a try. Well, there's another simple and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed the breakfast tortillas. I wanted to show you. I cut it in half. Look at the beautiful inside. All those layers of goodness. You can freeze these too. Pop them in the freezer when it's time to have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Take them out, warm them up. Well, If you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe. You'll be notified every Monday when I come out and put out a new video. Or give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Now I get to try the goods. My favorite time of the show. Oh my. It looks delicious. Oh. Mmm. That crunchiness around the outside. Nice and moist egg and vegetables inside. You're gonna love them. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. This pan here is 2.5 inches deep. No, it's not. It's 2.
Wait and easy, baby, living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do. Well, she's a fine for her mama, upper class, will only drink champagne from a bottomless glass. That ain't